Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're at Crane Landing in North Fort Myers doing a model preview tour of the Helena floor plan, part of the Manor line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. The Helena here is almost 3,000 square foot. It's going to give you 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. It's going to give you a study or flex space, as well as a loft and a 3-car garage. Let's take a look here at this awesome home. So when we come into the house here, we have that flex space or study here off to the side entry. And then this is also where you're going to find the half bath for the downstairs there with your singular sink, as well as the commode. And then this is going to open up into your nice great room area downstairs here. And then you've got this huge kitchen space. So nice size island right in the center of the kitchen. Nice corner pantry there. This is your access to your 3-car garage. But otherwise, tons of cabinetry and storage space here. And then you also have access out to your exterior living spaces right here as well. Now coming upstairs, at the top of the stairwell on one side, we're going to see the loft space that you can utilize for many different purposes. So as we come up here directly on our left, you've got that nice loft area here. So plenty of space to have an additional sitting area, TV room, kids area, you name it. Tons of space here in the Helena. Now we're going to look at the guest bedrooms first. So right down this hallway here, you have guest bedroom number 1. And that's got the bifold style closet doors there. Then we have guest bedroom number 2. Again with the same type of bifold closets. Right across from these guest bedrooms, you have the guest bath, your dual sinks, singular sink, or a commode and combination tub and shower there. And then we have your guest bedroom right at the top of the stairwell here. Again with the bifold style closets. And last but not least, we have the laundry room and the master bedroom. Nice size laundry space here, full size washer and dryer, tons of room for storage. And last but not least, we've got the master bedroom here. That's a king size bed there for perspective. And this really nice size master bath here. So you have the single sink setup but split. So you've got the his and hers type sinks. Huge walk-in closet here. Directly behind me, you've got the standalone shower. And then your enclosed water closet here as well. And you also get right here behind the door, you get a linen closet there as well. All right, folks, so this is the Helena floor plan. You're gonna find this home at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. If you're interested in this home or others, give us a call at any of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.